Too lazy to cook? Here are 3 quick Costco protein picks that will help you hit your protein goals without even trying. First are these chicken breast burrito bowls. 30 grams of protein for just 390 calories. Actually filling, and it doesn't taste like cardboard. $12.99 for a pack. Next are these Nature Valley protein bars. You can't go wrong with peanut butter and dark chocolate. It's got 10 grams of protein, 200 calories, and you can toss them in your bag and go for $15.89 a box. And lastly, we got the Nurri ultra filtered milkshakes. 30 grams of protein for just 150 calories. Clutch for your post-workout or just when you're rushing out the door. Only $15.99 for a 12 pack.